Welcome to 6512 Williwshire Way. This beautiful home is located here in Riverstrand Golf and Country Club. And as you walk in, you can see down the street of this beautiful community, and what a great front porch. So just imagine sitting out here every day and enjoying your coffee and saying hi to your neighbors. As we head inside, this is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath, and it is really a functional floor plan, and it's got a lot of really great storage as well. As we walk in here, you're going to see we've got dining room, the great room, and the kitchen. The kitchen, of course, has granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, everything that you would expect. And as you look out here, you can see a great view of the golf course, and you have a really nice lanai area that you can sit out there. So you've got 2 outdoor areas that you can enjoy. Now, while this does look out at the golf course, this home does not include a golf deeded membership. So you are not paying as high of fees. But the good news is if you do want to play golf, you can pay to play based on availability. I want to head into the primary suite here, and we have his and hers walk-in closets there. We've got LVP luxury vinyl plank flooring. This is a king-size bed, so this room is very spacious. And as we head into the ensuite bath, we've got dual sinks, a garden tub, a separate shower, and then we've got the private water closet right around the corner. Heading back out, I also love that, while this house doesn't have tons of square footage, the square footage it has is fully functional. It has a great flow to it. And we have an entry to the garage right here in your laundry room. And then here we have another bedroom. So this is a queen size bed. And then we've got the ensuite bath right there. Heading across the hallway is our last bedroom and bath combo, but don't miss the closets that we have here. Again, tons of great storage. When you live in Florida, you don't have a basement, but you don't have any snow. So it's a good trade-off. And here is this 3rd room. This is a great flex room. They're using this as kind of like a home office, so you can use it for whatever it is that you need. So I think you are really going to enjoy this. The community is fantastic. There are so many opportunities to make friends, and we have a very full social calendar and a lot of activities. So set up your showing with your realtor today.